Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about more formatting of how we can get our Word document to be in the right format when we submit our labs to Turnitin.com. So in this video specifically we'll focus on how do you insert your graphs and tables into Word. There's a couple of quick tricks that would be helpful. First of all, let me pull up a new Word document. That'll be my lab report. So you just make a quick lab report here, and maybe make it a bunch of pages long. So I've spent all my time writing this wonderful lab report. And let's say the first 2 pages is my introduction and my procedure and all that, and then after this I need to put my graph. So if I need to insert my graph in the middle of my page and my tables, okay, I can just simply go to my Word document, highlight the table that I want to copy and put in there, do Control C, or I can also right click and go to copy, and then I go back to my Word document and I just paste it right in my document itself, or just do it on a new page. And I'll do Control V, or you can right click and just hit paste, although I don't want to think about that. So I'm just going to do Control V, and you'll see my table is in the document. Unfortunately though, my table, remember, was formatted to be fit on a landscape page when I was in Excel, because it's kind of a long table. And my Word document is not in landscape. So one of the tricks you can do is actually turn one of your pages sideways in the middle of a document and then have it rotate back. You can turn your pages to landscape mode by doing Page Layout, Orientation, Landscape. Unfortunately, that turns all of your pages landscape as shown. I don't want to turn all my pages landscape. I just want to turn this one page landscape, the one with the data tables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the data table on a new page by simply putting my cursor here before my table, and I'm going to do break. Oh, sorry, this break can be found on the Page Layout tab. Okay, so if I click on the Page Layout tab, and then I click on Breaks and the little down arrow, and I just do Next Page. Now from here, when I do Orientation Landscape, you'll notice that all the stuff before is still Portrait, but everything afterwards on the new page is Landscape. Well, let's say afterwards, after I insert my table, so I can insert my other table as well. And I can even do a page for my graph, same thing. So let me get this, move this stuff off. And we can insert a graph in here. Oops. I just click on my graph, do the same thing, Control C, or right click and do copy. Go back to my Word document, paste this thing right in here on a new page. Notice I'm putting the graph on a page all by itself, and I'm going to make it as big as I can, so it's nice and easy to read. So as big as the page. And then if I want to go back, I want to create a new page. If I want to go back to Portrait, I do another page break, right? And then on these new pages, I just put it back to Portrait. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, I know what I did. I didn't do the break right. So I'm going to do Next Page, right? And then I'm going to change these next ones back to Portrait. And you can see here, my introduction, design is all in Portrait. Then it goes to Landscape for my data tables and my graphs, and then it goes back to Portrait. It's a nice, quick, easy way to format your data tables and your Word document so it can fit a data table and a graph.